see your Wi-Fi password on your Android or iPhone if you are connected to that network. So I will go out of here really quickly and then I will show you how to do it. So first of all, you can swipe down and then you can hold down on your Wi-Fi icon to get to this page, or you can just go to your settings. And then from here, you have to go to the first option, which is connections, and then go to Wi-Fi. So here you have to click on the gear from the right of your network. And then here you have to click on QR code. So you will have that at the bottom of the page. So click on QR code and you can save this as an image. So you can either click on the button if you have one, or you can just screenshot this QR code. So I will click on save as image. And after that, you can go to your Google Play or App Store and search for QR code scanner. So you will see that it's really easy and you will find your password immediately. So go on the first app, you can choose whatever app you want and then install the app. Then you just have to click on open and hit on while using the app and accept. So after that, you have to click on the image from the top of the screen and choose the screenshot. So here we have it, guys. It's that easy. Here we have the network name and then the type and then the password. So you can see that this is my network name, and if I go to my network, as you can see, this is the network. So yeah, guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.